My name is Michael Leto. I'm the Executive Vice President of Global Trans Enterprises here in Phoenix, Arizona. We are a third-party logistics company specializing in LTL freight and full truckload, along with supply chain management as well. Been in business since 2003. We're on the Inc. 500 last 2 years running. Last year we're number 326. This year we're number 175. We're actually the second fastest growing company in the state of Arizona last year. We've got a lot of positions that we're actually hiring for at this point, from accounting to inside sales, accounts payable to accounts receivable, customer service positions opening up, call center here at City North as well in Phoenix, Arizona. We're kind of a family-owned organization. My brother Andrew Leto is the CEO and founder of the company. We have been in the industry previous because our father was an owner of a similar type company. We kind of took that information, built some software programs. That's really how we've excelled and built this company over the last 6 years. We're really looking for a lot of college graduates. We do a lot of business and pull from the ASU entrepreneurial program, and we have a lot of interns that come over here from ASU as well. It's really just young people that are looking to expand their knowledge base in the business world and help us out in the process and allow us to help in mentoring them and showing them exactly how a company like ours operates. If you feel like you're a fit for the Global Trans team, we'd love to have you out here for an interview. Follow the information that you're going to obtain from the website, and we look forward to seeing you here at Global Trans Corporate.